In this demo, we are going to show how to troubleshoot an AI-driven issue detected by assurance. AI-driven issues are detected because there's a deviation from the baseline. In this example, we are starting at the overall dashboard for assurance, and we are going to scroll down to the top 10 issues. We see the issues that are internal to Cisco DNA Center, and we see the issues that are AI-driven. So let's choose one of these AI-driven issues. And in this case, we can see that there's an excessive failure to connect. So first, we can see the deviation. We can see that there is an increase in failures compared to the baseline. And in this case, it's an 11%. We also see that this is an issue that has been triggered based on AI analytics. And we can see the impact, how many sites are affected, and also how many clients. This again can give us an indication on how urgent this particular problem is. Let's scroll down and we can see a lot of coloring here. Everything that we see in green is the calculated baseline for this particular environment. So this has been calculated based on heuristics, and anything that deviates from that green band, it's going to be shown as a deviation. The actual value for this site and for this particular point in time is shown in blue. So we can see that there are portions of the timeline where the blue line goes really over the green band, and this is where we see the increase in connection failures for that period of time. So we can then scroll into the root cause analysis. The first graph that we see is exactly the graph that we saw before, but then a little bit further down, we can see that in the areas that are highlighted in red, that we see that excessive deviation from the baseline. We also see some issues or some increases on authentication failures as well as DHCP timeouts. So this is giving an indication where the problem actually relies. Next, we can move into the suggested action, where we can see that there are some actions that we can take in order to further troubleshoot or look into these problems with the DHCP server as well as with the AAA server. And this concludes our demo on AI-driven issues detected by Cisco DNA Center Assurance.